What's going on, guys? Luis here, and today I'm doing a review on a company called Safety Restore. It's a company that specializes in color change for your seatbelts without compromising the actual functionality and the safety of your seatbelts. Some of you may know the YouTubers Goon Squad. I've seen them actually use this company before to color change some of their builds that they've done, and I've always thought to myself, that's something that I've actually would love to do. The interior of my car is black with a red theme, and I've always wanted to change the seatbelts to red. Since I was going to be out of town for about a week, I decided to capitalize on that and take the seatbelts and send them into Safety Restore. So today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step that I took in order for me to receive my seatbelts, and later I'll walk you through the process of dismantling the seatbelts from the car and actually installing the new one. Each seatbelt is $100. The driver and the passenger both cost me $200, and after tax, it actually came out to $218, rounded up. So it's $217 with some change. I sent the seatbelts in a box that I provided myself, USPS. I shipped it 2-day priority with $500 insurance just in case they got lost or something. I'm not quite sure how much seatbelts are off the top of my head. I'm sure they're pretty pricey, to $38 to ship it from the Midwest here in Kansas City to Massachusetts. So that total is already coming out to be around $256. We'll round it up to $260 for 2 seatbelts, the driver and the passenger side. It took about a week and a half for me to receive my seatbelts back. I actually sent the package on a Saturday. They received the seatbelts on a Wednesday. So that's Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 5 days later, even though it was 2-day shipping, because I did send it in on a Saturday, they received it on Wednesday. Once they did receive it, I did get a confirmation email stating that they did indeed receive the seatbelts, which gave me peace of mind knowing that they actually made it to its destination. From there, they say it's a 24-hour turnaround. Friday, I received an email saying that they actually shipped it out. Today is now Monday, and I just received the package in the mail. Again, so that's pretty much what it was, guys. So about $260 for 2 seatbelts and about a week and a half. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open the box and see what we got. So they do send it USPS priority mail. I've also seen that they sent that to the Goon Squad as well. Let's see. So first it comes with a please read. Read through that off camera. Set that aside. Some bubble wrap. And here we go. Wow. So here is the safety mechanisms. And already I can see, I believe the color that I chose was called Brilliant Red. And wow, that is beautiful. Look at that color. It's kind of like a burgundy, kind of maroon, actually more of like a maroon kind of red. But man, these turned out really awesome. Let's go ahead and crack these open so we can see the full extent of them. So they saran wrap the whole thing, keeps everything intact and together. And the actual mechanism did come with a piece of cardboard to protect the mechanism. And then also, looks like they zip tied the seatbelt together. I'm sure that that's probably to prevent you from trying to put it together before you read the instructions that they send you. But check that out, guys. That is beautiful. That red looks stunning. I am so excited to install these into my car. Wow. These look amazing, and they look completely OEM. Look at the stitching on that. So there you have it, guys, Safety Restore. And if you guys have ever actually used this company, or maybe you want to, I would love to hear your comments and what your experience was with this company. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for hanging with me as I unbox my new seatbelts. We'll see you then, or I'll see you another time.